Welcome to Learn Simply. In this video, you will learn about verb and types of verb. A verb is a word or a combination of words that indicate an action or a state of being or condition. A verb is a part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. Verbs are the heart of the English sentence. Example: John exercises in the morning, a usual action. Mary is going to school, a condition of action. Vienna does not like to dance, a negative action. Vishal is a good boy, a state of being. Finite verbs are the actual verbs which are called the roots of sentence. It is a form of verb that is performed by or refers to a subject and uses one of the 12 forms of tenses and changes according to the number or person of the subject. Example: John went to school. Mary plays hockey. He is playing chess. She is the best player. Non-finite verbs are not actual verbs. They do not work as verbs in the sentence. Rather, they work as nouns, adjectives, adverbs, etc. Non-finite verbs do not change according to the number or person of the subject because these verbs, also called verbals, do not have any direct relation to the subject. Sometimes they become the subject themselves. Example: John went abroad to play. Infinitives: drawing is his only job. Present participle: she has broken pen. Past participle: sleeping is good for health. Action verbs indicate what the subject of sentence performs. Action verbs can make the listener or reader feel emotions, see scenes more vividly and accurately. Action verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Transitive verbs must have a direct object. A transitive verb demands something or someone to be acted upon. Example: I played for India. The verb play demands an object to be played. John is reading the novel. The verb read asks question. Intransitive verbs do not act upon anything. They may be followed by an adjective, adverb, preposition, or another part of speech. Examples: he smiled. The verb smile cannot have any object since the action of smiling does not fall upon anything or anyone. I wake up at 6 am. No object is needed for this verb. Linking verb adds details about the subject of a sentence in its simplest form. It connects the subject and the complement, that is, the words that follow the linking verb. It creates a link between them instead of showing action. Example: he appears ready for the cricket. He is ready for the game. The ice cream seemed delicious. The food was delicious. You look happy. You are happy. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. An auxiliary verb extends the main verb by helping show time, tenses, and possibility. They are used in continuous, progressive, and perfect tenses. Linking verbs work as main verbs in the sentence, but auxiliary verbs help in main verbs. Do is an auxiliary verb that is used to ask question, to express negation, to provide emphasis, and more. Example: Alex is going to school. They are walking in the park. I have seen a movie. Do you drink tea? Don't waste your time. Please do submit your assignments. Modal verb is a kind of an auxiliary verb. It assists the main verb to indicate possibility, potentiality, ability, permission, expectation, and obligation. The modal verbs are can, could, must, may, might, ought to, shall, should, will, would. Example: I may want you to play again. They must play the first game to win. She should call him. I will go there. In next video, you will learn about definition of adverb and types of adverb. For detailed explanation with notes and for other tutorial videos, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. Also connect with us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to keep updated with our next upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching. Do share this video with your friends and family who want to learn English grammar. Thank you for watching once again.